Welcome to our English class, grade 6A and 6B.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our English class. Now it's time to learn English. Are you enjoy? ឡើយដល់ពេលវេលាយើងសិក្សាមេរៀនភាសាអង់គ្លេសជាមួយគ្នាសប្បាយអត់ទេថ្ងៃនេះបាទ Are you happy? Hope you all fine សង្ឃឹមថាកូនៗទាំងអស់គ្នាបានសុខសប្បាយ Make sure you keep distance, wear mask and also wash your hands សង្ឃឹមថាកូនៗរក្សាគម្លាតពាក់ mask ហើយនឹងលាងដៃឲ្យបានស្អាតល្អ Okay ឥឡូវនេះយើងបន្តមេរៀនរបស់យើងតទៅទៀត Now we're going to continue our lesson. Let's open your book on page 17. Your book on page 17 we can see D play a game, ask and answer នៅក្នុងត្រង់ចំណុចនេះគេឲ្យលេងហ្គេមហើយបន្ទាប់មកទៀតយើងសួរសំណួរវាមាន2ផ្នែកផ្នែកទី1លេងហ្គេមផ្នែកទី2សួរសំណួរប៉ុន្តែ teacher focus but I am already focused on the second part ask and answer teacher focus តែលើពាក្យថា ask and answer now look at your yellow box on page 17 which one is the most graceful the gazelle is the most graceful which one is the least graceful the elephant is the least graceful ចឹងនៅក្នុងនេះគេមានរូបភាពច្រើនឲ្យយើងមើល You see how many pictures 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 pictures here okay but here they're comparing 3 things នៅកន្លែងនេះគេការប្រៀបធៀប3ហើយនេះរូបភាព3 Now you look at this and you can ask the question you can make the question according to this sample កូនៗអាចបង្កើតសំណួរបានដោយខ្លួនឯងនិងចម្លើយបានដោយខ្លួនឯងហើយកូនៗមើលទម្រង់សំណួរនៅកន្លែងនេះ Did you remember ចាំបានអត់ថានៅពេលដែលយើងសួរសំណួរដោយសួរពាក់ព័ន្ធនឹងជំរើសឬក៏ពាក់ព័ន្ធទៅនឹងការប្រៀបធៀបគឺយើងត្រូវប្រើ W equation which okay which one is the most graceful okay and so now you look at this one 3 of them bear elephant and gazelle bear elephant and gazelle 3 of them are graceful right the bear is graceful the elephant is graceful and the gazelle is graceful but which one is the most graceful among 3 of them តើក្នុងចំណោម3ហ្នឹងមួយណាដែលស្អាតជាងគេ Can you tell me so the answer is the gazelle is the most graceful the gazelle is the most graceful okay so the same sign រូបភាពដដែលហ្នឹងគេសួរមួយទៀត which one is the least graceful which one is the least graceful លើកមើលនៅកន្លែងហ្នឹងមិញគេសួរថា most the most graceful now they ask the least graceful which one is the least graceful okay here the bear an elephant and also the gazelle so 3រូបភាព3ហ្នឹងសត្វទាំង3ហ្នឹងមួយណាដែលរៀងមើលទៅរៀងកត្រិលជាងគេរៀងអត់សូវស្អាតជាងគេ okay the elephant is the least graceful okay the elephant is the least graceful so one picture we have to ask 2 questions and to answer also 1 we make with the most and also 2 we will make with the least okay if we want to say the most graceful is the gazelle if the least graceful is the elephant okay that is the first example and then now they have see how many colorful so you see here which one can you ask question with me here which one is graceful sorry Now with this picture, which one is colorful? You see how many animals here? Birds, bird, zebra, and polar bear. They are colorful, right? But the question is, which one is the most colorful? Which one is the most colorful? The answer? Yes? The bird. Yeah? The bird is the most colorful. And then we jump to the next question, question number 2. Which one is the least graceful? Which one is the least graceful? You look at 3 of them here. This one is the most graceful. But this one, 2 of them. I think the zebra is the least graceful. You agree with me? Teacher tha sat se bang kong ni motor asal saat. Okay. So the zebra is the least graceful. Yung dog elephant ni trên that the zebra. Okay. Okay, now we're going to this one. They have 3 delicious. Okay, they have fruit, cheese, and also bread. So 3 of them are delicious. Fruit also delicious, cheese also delicious, and also bread also delicious. But we want to ask which one is the most delicious. Can you answer me? Which one is the most delicious? Là mùi ná đã chừng chừng kì, tất cả sẽ là chừng anh, cứ đường chừng anh. Đã mùi ná đã chừng anh chừng kì. Okay, the cheese is the most delicious, right? Or wrong? I just guess. So we can say the cheese is the most delicious. Okay, and then the same question, but we change. Which one is the least delicious? Mùi na đã chừng chừng kì. I think the bread. Okay. The bread is the least delicious. Okay, the bread is the least delicious. Okay, now look at this one. This one we're going to ask the question about expensive. We have a laptop and also maybe calculator and also screen notebook. Yes, notebook. So this one is yes, a lot of price. This one less and price. Okay, now we are going to ask the question. Use this one. Can you ask now? Okay. Which one is the most expensive? Which one is the most expensive? Can you answer? Yeah, the laptop is the most expensive. The laptop is the most expensive. Okay, now we're going to ask the least. Okay. Which one is the least graceful? Sorry. Which one is the least expensive? Which one is the least expensive? Yes, the calculator is the least expensive. The calculator is the least expensive. Okay, now we move to another one. Ten, 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 ten. Okay, now let's start another question. Expensive again. Can you ask the question? Okay, the same question. Which one is the most expensive? Which one is the most expensive? Can you answer? Great. The swimsuit. Okay, the swimsuit is the most expensive. The swimsuit is the most expensive. Okay, now we're going to ask which one is the least expensive. Okay, which one is the least expensive? Okay, this one or this one? Which one? The skirt or the shirt? Yeah, the shirt. The shirt is the least expensive. Can you say? The shirt is the least expensive. Okay. Now we move to this. Okay, this one, graceful. See? Yes, graceful. Can you read? Graceful. Here, what do we call? Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. This one we call cheetah. Cheetah. This one, what do we call? Squirrel. 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 Okay, now we're going to add the question. The same formula here. Okay. Which one is the most graceful? The same question. Which one is the most graceful? Can you look at this? Which one is the most graceful? Yeah, great. The cheetah is the most graceful. The cheetah is the most graceful. And which one is the least graceful? Which one is the least graceful? Can you answer? 1, 2, 3. The squirrel or the rhinoceros? Yeah, the rhinoceros is the least graceful. The rhinoceros is the least graceful. Okay, now you look at this one. We move to the question. Okay, another comparative. Here we have delicious. We jump to delicious. We have here banana, ice cream, and also steak. Okay, among three of them, we are going to ask which one is the most delicious? Okay, which one is the most delicious? Probably, of course, the steak. The steak, because the steak is really nice. The steak is the most delicious. Okay, and then we ask, which one is the least delicious? Which one? The banana is the least delicious. The banana is the least delicious. Okay, now look at this one, these pictures. They have, wow, 3 colors of car, train, one head of train, car, pickup, and also car. 3 of them. Okay, we're going to ask colorful. Can you make the question? Good. Which one is the most colorful? Which one is the most colorful? Can you see 3 of them? Which one is the most colorful? The car, the answer, the car is the most colorful. The car is the most colorful. And then which one is the least colorful? Okay, which one is the least colorful? Which one is the least? 3 of them. The train. The train is the least colorful. Okay, now you understand of this. That is the way that we're going to ask the question of comparing 3 things. Okay, now we're going to move to D. D, ask and answer. Look at the picture in D. E, ask and answer. Look at the picture in D. แล้วយើងមើល picture នៅក្នុង D គេឲ្យយើងមើលយើងសួរសំណួរដោយមើលរូបភាពនៅក្នុងនេះ This sample នេះ this is the sample question. That is the simple question that we are going to ask. Okay? Look at the question, sample question first. មើលឧទាហរណ៍សិនមកก่อนនេះ Okay. Is the skirt more expensive than the shirt? Say again. Is the skirt more expensive than the shirt? Okay. Is the skirt more expensive than the shirt? If yeah, it is. If no, No, it isn't. The skirt already. So now we are going to ask. Cool. We change this. Let we going to ask this. Okay. We're going to change the the adjective here. Okay, and change the noun here. Okay, is the gazelle more graceful than what? More graceful than the elephant? Yes or no? Yes. And then we can ask another question. Is the elephant more graceful than the bear? Is the elephant more graceful than the bear? No or yes? No, it isn't. Now do you understand with that? ឥឡូវនេះឈរឲ្យតម្រងឧទាហរណ៍នេះមួយហើយកូនត្រូវទៅសេតម្រងហ្នឹងតម្រងនេះសំណួរនេះណាផ្ញើមក teacher ដល់ខ្លួនឯងណានេះតម្រងនេះអញ្ចឹង teacher បញ្យល់កូនជាខ្មែរឥឡូវឧទាហរណ៍ណាឥឡូវនេះឧទាហរណ៍នេះមួយគឺគេឲ្យ skirt ហើយគេសួរថា is the skirt more expensive than the shirt? The skirt more expensive than the shirt? Yes, it is. If no, it isn't. ឥឡូវយើងមើលនេះ if បើសិនយើងចង់បង្កើតសំណួរជាទម្រង់ស្រកយើងចង់បានចម្លើយ yes យើងត្រូវសួរពីនេះទៅវិញ is the gazelle more graceful than the elephant ចម្លើយថា yes it is បើយើងចង់បានសំណួរចម្លើយជាអវិជ្ជមានសួរទៅវិញ is the elephant more graceful than the gazelle ចម្លើយ no it isn't អញ្ចឹងteacher ឲ្យឧទាហរណ៍ពីរហើយឧទាហរណ៍មួយនេះនៅក្នុងសភៅឧទាហរណ៍មួយនេះឈើបានបញ្ចូលអញ្ចឹងកូននៅសល់ឧទាហរណ៍នេះនៅសល់មួយនេះនៅសល់មួយនេះនៅសល់មួយនេះនៅសល់មួយនេះនៅសល់មួយនៅសល់ច្រើនទៀតអញ្ចឹងកូនចំណាយពេលធ្វើបន្តិចណា
You need to
ព្រោះជាមេរៀនសម្រាប់កូនៗទាំងអស់គ្នាក្នុងការដែលយើងអាចចងចាំបានហើយអនុវត្តមេរៀនរបស់យើងអរគុណច្រើន
answer question and answer with the most and the least in comparing three things form 1. Which one is the most graceful? The gazelle is the most graceful. Which one is the least graceful? The elephant is the least graceful. 2. Which one is the most colorful? The bird is the most colorful. Which one is the least colorful? The zebra is the least colorful. Which one is the most delicious? The fruit is the most delicious. Which one is the least delicious? The bread is the least delicious. Which one is the most expensive? The swimsuit is the most expensive. Which one is the least expensive? The t-shirt is the least expensive.
ជួបគ្នានៅវីដេអូក្រោយសូមព្រះជាម្ចាស់ប្រទានពរ God bless you I love you all
ថ្នាក់សិក្សាពីចម្ងាយផ្នែកភាសាអង់គ្លេសថ្នាក់ទី6កនិងខសូមរក្សាគម្លាត grammar និងលាងសម្អាតដៃឲ្យបានញឹក